I think in the previous episode, I have told you something about the hospital incident. Today, we are going to discuss about one of the biggest silent killer in India, the health mafia. India's healthcare system is under siege by clandestine health mafia, a nexus of corrupt officers, unethical medical practitioners, and unscrupulous pharmaceutical companies. This covert operation isn't just draining our wallets, it's costing our lives. This silent killer operates with impunity, shielded by systematic corruption. It's time to expose this deadly syndicate and reclaim our right to safe and honest healthcare. Healthcare is meant to heal, but in India, it became breeding ground for corruption and malpractice. The health mafia, a term that encapsulates the corrupt networks within our healthcare system, has turned our hospitals into profit centers and patients into prey. Today, we delve into the dark reality of India's healthcare system to uncover how deep this corruption runs and what it means to every citizen. Welcome to the today's episode of The Bigger Picture, where we are going to expose the health mafia in India, a silent killer, the epidemic of medical corruption. Corruption in India's healthcare is pervasive, affecting every level. A significant portion of patients have reported that paying bribes for a simple surgery at the government hospitals. Doctors and hospitals always prescribe unnecessary tests and surgeries to inflate their bills. Ghost hospitals. These hospitals are non-existent, but the funds will be allocated so that they can be diverted to elsewhere. A study reveals that healthcare system is most corrupt system in India, with patients frequently getting demanded cash under the table. Substandard medications. Many investigations have uncovered that due to non-compliance and quality issues, many pharmaceutical companies have been shut down by Indian government. Indian made cough syrups led to death of 66 infants in Gambia, highlighting severe lapses in quality control, regulatory failures. The Central Drugs Standard Control Organization CDSCO has faced criticism for inadequate oversight, allowing subpar drugs to reach the market. In 2023, the Indian government cancelled the licenses of 18 pharmaceutical companies for poor quality manufacturing practices, underscoring the rampant issues within the industry. And one of the company manufactures our favorite medicine, medical education and institutional corruption. This rot extends to medical education also. Medical council corruption. The Medical Council of India has been plagued by corruption, leading to compromised medical standards. Seats in medical colleges are also sold to the highest bidder besides the merit and competence. Some medical professionals engage in malpractices, eroding public trust in the healthcare system. Dr. Subhrata Chattopadhyay, a bioethics expert, remarked that corruption is so endemic in the medical profession that no longer surprises the public. Sometimes even doctors prefer a private institute besides working in a government hospital. Let's see the global implications. This health mafia doesn't just harm India, it has international repercussions. Global health risks. Substandard Indian pharmaceuticals have tainted the global supply chain, leading to distrust and health hazards worldwide. Corruption in healthcare leads to increased out of pocket expenses, pushing many into poverty again. Public health crisis. The distribution of counterfeit or substandard medications can lead to widespread emergencies again. In 2024, India's drug regulator flagged quality issues with one of the major companies which provides us paracetamol and antacids. This raises alarms for the safe usage of even common drug which should be complementing lives. The human cost. Ultimate victims are patients. Patients succumb to treatable diseases due to counterfeit medications or medical negligence, the number of preventable deaths is still growing. Even the erosion of trust is happening. Widespread of corruption leads to failure of patient-doctor relationship, which is essential for healthcare. Families are left devastated both emotionally and financially due to unethical practices which are happening in the medical field. The tragic death of Fayaz, a 14-year-old boy in 2023, exposed corruption in Indian hospitals. Can we cure this system? Addressing this deep-rooted system needs systematic reforms. Strengthen the regulation, empower and reform the regulatory bodies to enforce stringent standards and penalize violations effectively. Implement transparent process in medical admissions, protect and encourage whistleblowers to expose the corruption, leverage the technology, use artificial intelligence and digital tools to monitor irregularities in real time, educate the public with what kind of standards they should expect, then they start to demand, which results in accountability. In 2024, government launched Ayushman Bharat scheme aimed at digitizing the health records and medical practices nationwide. ABDM is expected to bring much needed transparency, making it harder to corrupt. But the question here is whether the health mafia, which is deep rooted in the healthcare system, won't adapt its own ways when these kinds of schemes are introduced. Answer me in the comment section if you have something in your mind. The health mafia isn't just an economic or a political problem, it's a human tragedy unfolding silently across India. Millions of lives remain at risk, suffering physically and financially, trapped within corrupt healthcare system designed to profit but not cure. As citizens, awareness is our greatest weapon. We need to speak up, demand transparency and hold our leaders accountable for every move they make. It's your health, your money, your future. Share this video with your friends and family to increase their awareness. The debate is open now. How can India finally break free from this health mafia? Give me the possible solutions which you have in the comment section below. If you have watched till here, then definitely you might have loved this video. Let the algorithm know by liking and commenting below. Thank you so much for watching. I am Rohit D. Sharma signing off until next episode. Whether you are a supporter of a right-wing politics or not, this shift impacts same on everybody. Our freedoms, economic stability, cultural identity and democratic institutions are all at stake. Understanding these changes is essential. Ignoring them isn't an option. This political reality shapes your life, your job, your family's future and the nation you live in. Whether you passionately support this shift or deeply oppose it, one fact is undeniable. It is affecting every aspect of your life and future. Right-wing politics are not just on the rise, they are dominating the world. From India to United States, from Europe to Brazil, nationalism and conservative policies are reshaping governments and societies everywhere. Today, let's uncover why this massive political shift is happening.